All right, baby.
Can I get you for a PK? Free bean,
Yeah, I
free
mean, what do you
bean,
mean?
free
Yeah,
bean.
right now.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I don't know what
But
the
it's
laws of this
about this.
shit is. Just be generous. Be generous and just send donation to what you like. Don't be stealing. You be stealing
Wait,
entertainment.
hold
You
on. I got you.
motherfuckers be stealing entertainment. If you like something, donate. You the niggas that standing there watching the nigga be entertaining in New York, right there on the fucking curve, and you don't give nothing to
All
the
right, it's
person.
ready.
You're a
It's ready.
fucking creep. You're a creep.
There.
You're a fucking creep. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, if
Got
you
you.
was walking down the street and you see some talent and you watch the talent and walk off, you're a fucking creep. You don't respect art. You do not respect art, and that's not okay. Respect art. I'm gonna start naming you motherfuckers too in the room
I got
now.
20 minutes in the middle.
I'm naming niggas names now. Vibes,
Yeah.
you could send me something. You didn't send me shit. I'll remember that. Nana, okay. What up? You didn't send. What's good? You just sitting there. You gonna stare at me? Oh, you sent three beans. Okay. What's good? Chris Carter. What up, nigga? Throw a fucking bean, nigga. 202 Big Talk. Throw a bean, bitch. Fuck is you doing? Come on. Y'all niggas watch just to know you nosy bitches. And you throw a bean or you don't. Appreciate it, poo poo. Who is that's my rider? I only got a couple, G.
Thank you. Thank you.
I got my rider in the building. Fuck these
I could have
niggas.
been here.
Talking about I don't have to disrespect them to get beans. Bitch, fuck you. You know who I am? I'm Nature Boy. Bitch, I ain't never give a fuck about y'all gifting me. Niggas that gift me, they just real niggas. Real niggas fuck with real niggas. And fake niggas do
Oh,
fake things. I'm about to call the fake niggas off. Fuck out the room. She left. Oh, Vibes left. Bye, Vibes. Act like I don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? Royal, CC Jackson, Fem Queen. What up, Fem Queen? 12 beans, really? Oh, you should the bean, nigga. Good looking. I'm saying show a little respect. If you don't got respect, get the fuck out. You said I'm begging? No, I'm not begging. I'm the
thank
man
you.
now.
Thank
Are
you.
you right
Thank
there,
you.
Vibes? Vibes, man, what is wrong with you, Vibes?
He's
And I come in your
definitely not
room.
begging. He's definitely demanding right
Hey, yo, when I come in your room, guess what happens when I come in your room? I give you every time. Bada bing, bada boom. You might, if you don't got it right now, that's okay, baby, because you always gift me. But listen to me. I can't keep coming on Bigo, bro. Bigo's not lucrative. Like, I would rather not see my blessings than see people play with me. You know what I mean? I would rather not see the shit and just work and just being like, all right, be on IG. But to be on here and obviously see the shit, I don't. Because on this app, I'm disrespecting myself and what I stand for on this app. You know what I'm saying? There's no sense of me being here if I'm not gonna get gifted, and I'm not about to jump hoops and bounds to do shit because I never did. I'm gonna be me. You know what I'm saying? I get paid to be me. Why you laughing at begging bum? I'm a begging bum now. Okay, call me what you want to call me. To me, this is called setting preliminaries and boundaries and warning y'all
now.
niggas. You feel me? Because y'all niggas do this shit, right? And you make the app corny because of it. You make the app corny. Y'all make the app corny. You make the app corny. No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the people that the gifters. They make the
Sit,
app. The
sit.
gifters can make the app cool. You know what I'm saying? Like they have a
You
power
said
to the
we
app.
make.
They just don't know how to do it. They just goofies, and niggas don't know how to gift right. You know what I'm saying? Niggas just gift emotionally. They don't gift for the culture of Bigo. They gift for the fucking. You know what I'm saying? Like yo, it's for the culture. But nah, niggas is like you know what I mean. But that's why the app's gonna fall in a sense for the black community. We're not gonna. This shit is falling off if you see it. The app is kind of like falling into the sideline because of the way people doing shit. You know what I'm saying? I blame the gifters, me myself. Yeah. Hey, Bobs, don't think I didn't peep the fact that you called me a begging bum and then you laughed. I seen that shit, bro.
Not the gifters.
It's okay because I don't know. Maybe I hurt your
See,
feelings or something. I don't know. Maybe I hurt your feelings. It's a lottery. Oh, okay. I'm like, oh, it's a fan lottery. I'm high as shit. And that's another thing I can't be on here
Maybe it's
because
a fan
this shit
lottery.
confusing to me, bro. I
It's a
really ain't never
fan
figured this shit
lottery.
out.
Yes.
I ain't never really. I'm not good with
You and
money.
your
Like I don't.
feelings.
Yeah, I need a manager. I need a manager because I'm not. I'm not good with this shit. I'm not good
You need to
with
let
the
me help
logistics.
you
I'm
on
an
your weed
artist.
journey.
Vibes, I love you, and that's why I was gonna be hurt. My feelings gonna be
You're
hurt,
not.
Vibes, because people keep coming on here disrespecting me, bro. Like I'm really like worth more than you know what I mean. Like key shit really be like you know what I'm saying. You feel me? As an agent, you know what I mean. Making it some shit happen. I don't know. I don't know. The app is just weird. I know, but what I'm saying is, here's my problem with it. My problem
You,
is that I don't like the idea of watching the boxes and the gifts. It's weird. I've always functioned in a way where I did things from my heart, and then I got blessed in mysterious ways. And then now you get on Bigo, and it kind of the algorithm of Bigo is to do things for the money, and I don't do things for money. You know what I mean? Official PK, official PK. Yo, babe, bring me my blunt. Can I get a J? Can you give me the trash bag so I can take it? Y'all,
yeah.
Kenya, what up, baby? What up, baby?
Well, maybe you should.
What's good? What's good, y'all, Kenya?
Maybe you just, you
Y'all,
know.
Kenya.
I say you get. I, I don't know. It's a whole bunch of.
There goes mine. You got the bubble? There goes the bubble. We in there. This is bubble. We in trouble. We ain't in trouble if it ain't bubble, baby. Bubble, baby. I'm
Go
in love
sit.
with the bubble and the bevel. An illegal investment. Well, it was an illegal investment. You know name? The one I just brought in there? Come here. You write it on? Well, what's her name? I just want to know what I'm smoking. What I just brought in there? Yeah, that's it. Where? The one earlier. Yeah, you smoke this. I don't want to. I'll just get me a new joint. I'm gonna hit me an ice cream. I'm gonna hit me some of this ice cream though, cause that ice cream be having me like. Hey yo, that ice cream be having me like.
Thank you, guys.
The
Thank
ice
you.
cream. The ice cream. What you mean?
What you do yesterday? Yo, bro, you on some other shit. You were lit.
We don't vibrate to the same frequencies as these niggas, man.
Like you in
You
another
know, these
world,
niggas
bro.
is on another frequency zone, bro. Hey, baby, baby, baby.
Like nigga, it's 2 o'clock.
This is ice cream right here, so I ain't even need that. Then what's this? What's this right here? I need y'all to start writing on my blunt so I know what I'm smoking. Oh, this shit right here. This that bubble. Put an eye on this. What's this? And I don't know what this is. You should get this to the girl. I don't know what this is. I can have that. Okay, let me put this.
Also, I don't like it being by yourself. I don't like it being by yourself. It makes me yes. No, like you know how you was like go to the grocery store. I'm
Nah, I ain't bully
I'm
Vibes.
having
Vibes is my nigga.
where
We listen. We have a community here on Bigo, okay? And I might have not that love because I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. Baby, tell these niggas who I am.
see vibes is what's good. Yes,
Appreciate
DJ
it,
party.
you
Same type
know.
PK.
Thank you, and that's public knowledge, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Long as my motherfucker long as my bitch love me. You feel me? I ain't worried about that. I'm the captain on my boat. Hey, guess what? I feel good. I smell good. I look good. Why is that, ladies? Why? Because I smell good.
Bluetooth
I look good.
connected.
Visa! Visa, tell me what you like. Tell me if you like this song, Visa. It's a new shit I got.
Yeah,
Listen.
I be listening to you.
I had some niggas that said I was making my nigga, they said I was falling off. Fuck a bitch, nigga, head to nigga. Same sex, but I'm wrong off. I'ma just turn to niggas, tell them to feel like I'm right fall off. You get one shot of nigga in prison, or you blow it like it's hot off. Don't you blow it like it's hot off. I'ma blow it like it's take off. Can't nobody fucking stop me, I'm the one gonna run the race off. If you ever take a shot, gotta hit it, I ain't one for the chase off. Keep a nigga like a scam, do a nigga back, get a pussy scraped off. Feeding like a bitch, it's time to bother me. Don't you talk to see, I'm a fucking meter. I get money, the fuck, I don't gotta eat it. I'm a suspect of the party season. How the fuck that I'm never don't gotta see it. You ain't got a pussy, I ain't gotta eat it. Look, you can see I don't gotta feed it. No, nah. I just see it, I got little crazy. This nigga, see the shit. He's a pussy where the head was not. Niggas started passing home the pussy. I ain't playing with you niggas. It won't be no fucking fun. If I pull it with the kids, who the two of them options. Don't get respected, it's none of the problem. These niggas double, they come on their block. They ain't got the group, I'm fucking their problem. I'm so right, they know what to stop. You get to the sun, you gotta get that guy. You with the switch, I'm hurting, no problem. You ain't like bitch, you never subscribe. Bad man, niggas never around me. Everybody have a leg with a zombie. Headshot, like a nigga was on me. Always had a sister like it was on me. Niggas was shit, niggas around me. You wanna blood up when I never found it. You going back to whatever you found me. Me and my niggas, no fuckers around. Niggas said I was running, my nigga, they said I was fall out. Fuck a bitch, nigga, and it's a opinion. Same sex, but I'm raw dog. I'ma just turn the nigga that's telling the ceiling, I know how to fall out. You get one shot, a nigga in prison. Oh, you know like it's hot off. Don't you know like it's hot off. I'm blowing like it's tank off. If you like fucking stop me,
Who
I'm the
is
one
this?
gonna run the race off. If you ever
You
take a shot,
said
gotta hit, I ain't going for the chase. Hell no, I ain't like no whack 100, nigga. That nigga's a cornball, bruh. Fuck you for saying that. I ain't like no whack 100, nigga. You fucking crazy. Do you know I'm from Harlem, bitch? Bitch, do you think, what the fuck you think you gonna get me banned, ho? Cause I'm gonna wind up telling you off and smacking the shit out you virtually. And I'm gonna tell you another thing. Bitch, I ain't never been no corny nigga. I promise you I'm beyond your time. You don't understand me. I promise you that. And make this shit bigger. Come on. And another thing. Bitch, I'm from Harlem. Wagner Projects. You feel me? It's shit in my daddy was 60 years old when he had me. That's a fact. You think about that. My father was 60 when he had me. And my dad is from Puerto Rico. I'm Puerto Rican. By the way, Afro Latina, Latino. And by the way of Nigeria. My father's people were
Oh,
dropped off slaves
right.
in
Listen,
Puerto
my ice
Rico.
cream.
All of my history from my father's bloodline are all Puerto Rican. And it goes
Slice
from
my
Puerto Rico to Nigeria. And I was always a chief. And I've always been a chief.
not invited.
And I've always been someone that was royalty.
Not invited.
Watch your mouth. Better yet, hold your tongue. You fucking with the right one, baby. And another thing. And another mother. And another
oh right,
motherfucking thing. Let
yeah,
me tell you
baby.
something right now.
That's the
You ain't
shit,
never,
boy.
ever met a nigga like me. You ain't met not one nigga like me. Don't you ever in
Tell him,
your life
tell him,
compare
tell
me
him,
to another
tell him, Powder.
motherfucker. Cause you ain't never met a nigga like me. You don't know me, cause I don't know me. When I know me, then you can try to figure it out. Because I don't even know me yet. You gonna tell me about myself like you know me more than I'm me when I'm living my shit and you living your shit and you looking at my shit and you gonna tell me about me. Bitch, let's get a shot. Bitch, I ain't want to hear no shit like that. Bitch, put my motherfucker. Venom, what the fuck on these niggas' minds, man? Venom! Venom!
So what you trying to do, nigga? What on script say? What on my nigga say?
Thank you, Miss Venoms. Thank you, Miss Venoms. Yo, you got the craziest lottery in the world. This is crazy. Do you see this? Thank you, Gemini. Thank you, this is official PK. Fuck it, come on, let's go ahead, let's get lit then. Hey, we better.
See, I was trying to come to a nigga had to
Yo, shut up. Don't be calling me no whack 100, nigga. That nigga older than me. I'm sexier than that nigga.
You gotta watch out for the suckers. You gotta watch out for family. But most importantly, you gotta watch out for the anxiety, right? Because when you make the money, you just get so anxious to make more of it. But you gotta learn
Yo, did you see his pants? Did you see his pants? Did you see his pajama pants? Did you see his pajama pants? Did you see his pajama pants? They around good bullets explode and I trust it. People these days, cause that's broke. I see niggas get killed for who they grow with and chosen. Keep aside that circle, say sitting on your sofa. Same nigga that shot you was the one you used to smoke with. Oh shit, my whole clique notorious. Murder bug, 6 souls, murder bug, you still serving blood. Yo, I'm starting to get jealous of my give me attention. Got my cup, she can't get enough. Buffing me down as I buff on the finest clip. He acting like you me. I don't like that. Yeah, I just do my stuff. No, I'll take that. I think I got a cup in that. You see? No, what? How many ounces is this? Hey, this is a cup in that. Yeah, just make the cup.
First lady, what up? Hey, look. Guess what? Love to my haters, love to my haters. Let's go, baby.
Even I'm here praying for the go away, right? Check my track record, check my capital and pin. Knowing in your mind, this life is sin. When I was at my lowest, my girl was silent, niggas was bogus. When I was at my lowest, I learned who I think it mean on really. All of my thoughts be cut my head and still. Beautiful day outside, but it feels like we still. Ever since I lost my mother, but ain't nothing real. I love the microdoses, look what's something real. Still relevant, anyway, still. We can't go back to the next profession, we know how.
Thank you guys.
We know how to hunger. I break the rules and make
Thank
it
you
more.
guys. Thank you guys. Are you okay over there, bro?
Hold the fuck on. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta talk to these niggas real quick, son. Let me talk to these niggas. Let me talk to these niggas real quick, son.
Let them know,
Yo,
sons.
word
Let them
up.
know, sons. Let them know, son.
Fuck wrong with you. Hey, yo, son. Word up, son. Hey, yo, word up, son.
Let
Hey,
them
yo,
know, B. Let them
fuck wrong
know.
with these niggas, son. Hey,
What's
yo.
wrong with you?
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Let
On
me
my
talk
dad?
to these niggas real quick, son. Yo,
On
word
my
up.
dad?
Hey, yo, check it out. Look, right? Look. I see the lottery, right?
Let them know,
That
son.
shit said, your money stopped with Velvet like, hey, yo, look, hey, yo, shut it. Hey, yo, shut it. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, shut it. The fuck wrong with these niggas, man? Hey, yo, son. The fuck wrong with you niggas, man? What's wrong with you
Yo,
niggas,
why
man?
they playing with you, son?
Huh?
Fuck
What's
wrong with
wrong with
these
these
niggas,
niggas, man?
man?
Huh? I'm broke, baby. I'm broke, baby. You feel me? Hey, look. Yo, son, let me tell you a little story. I got a little story. Let me tell these
Let them know.
stupid ass niggas a story real quick about me. One day I had a barbershop or whatever, and I told niggas like, yo, y'all don't got mind power. That's what's wrong with y'all niggas. And the niggas was looking at me like, what you talking about, bitch? I'm like, yo, son, y'all niggas ain't got mind power, yo. What's wrong with y'all niggas, y'all? Niggas was like, yo, bitch, what you talking about, son? I'm like, hey, yo, son, you know what's wrong with y'all niggas here, B? You know what's wrong with y'all niggas? Y'all ain't got mind power. Niggas is like, yo, man, shut that bullshit up, son. I don't want to hear that shit. I'm like, yo. Y'all niggas ain't got no motherfucking mind power, huh? Niggas like, yo, fuck you talking about, man? What you trying to say, son? What you trying to say? Hey, yo. Hey, yo, listen. I bet you right now, son, I could win the lotto. I bet you I could win the lotto right now. Why? Why? Cause I got motherfucking mind power. Them niggas
Right
is like,
now.
nigga, shut the fuck up. Word up, son. This nigga ass. Hey, yo, shut the fuck up, nigga. Hey, yo, who the fuck you talking to, motherfucker? You heard? What's poppin', nigga? Oh, you think I'm pussy? Huh? Well, come fuck this pussy then, nigga. Come see what that's about. You heard? Come see what that's about, nigga. And niggas is like, yo, son, chill. Niggas is motherfucking, niggas fucking with you, B. You sensitive, nigga. Chill, son. Tell us what you was gonna tell us. Okay, you got the mind power. You gonna win the lottery and all that. Tell us what you gonna do. Hey, yo, son, what the fuck? Yo, let niggas know. Watch they fucking mouth when they fucking address me. You know what I'm saying? Talk to me nice, nigga. Fuck is wrong with these niggas? Niggas is wild turkey. Talk to me nice. Hey, yo, these niggas is wild turkey, son. Yo, word is
Talk to
son. Hey,
him
yo,
nice.
son, look, right, son? So I
Yo, these
told niggas,
niggas
like,
is
look,
crazy. Yo,
I'm about to go to the
talk to
gas
this nigga
station
nice.
right now, son. Word up. Word up, son. I'm about to go to the gas station right now, and I'm going to win the lottery tonight. Niggas is looking at me like, yo, son, go play the lottery, stupid nigga. Go play the lottery. Look. I'm going to tell you what happened to me. This is a true story. This is a true story. So
Nice,
I go up
son.
to the gas station. I go up to the gas station, right?
True
I
story.
walk in that joint like this. I'm like, yo, son, I want to play the lottery. What's the best lottery to play in here, y'all? Hey, like, yo.
No funny shit.
You know what I'm saying? They gave me the best shit. You know what I mean? I got that. I'm like, I fucking come on, let's get it. Boom. Then we got it. And we waiting for the
We
numbers
got
to
it.
come up.
Hold
It's
on.
like 7 o'clock. The numbers about to come up. I'm like, yo, I'm about to win a lotto. Shut the fuck up, bitch ass niggas. You feel me? I'm about to win a fucking lotto. Shut up. And nigga, the numbers is up there, right? And I swear to God, the lotto was for like 250,000 thing. I don't know what it was. But boom. Guess what happened? I fucked around and I didn't win the lottery. Dead ass. Dead ass shit. I didn't win the lottery. Niggas is like, hey yo, son, this nigga's a fucking goofy. Fuck out of here, son. I'm like, yo, fuck nigga. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I don't fuck with y'all niggas, yo. That's why I don't fuck with y'all niggas, yo. Word is born, son. I don't fuck with y'all niggas, yo. Fuck y'all, man. Word up, son. Hey, I don't fuck with y'all niggas, man. Y'all niggas laughing. That shit is wild crazy, son. Word up. Hey, yo, get the fuck out of here, son. Hey, yo, word up. Hold on. Yo. But peep this, though, son. I'm still gonna win the lottery. No, nigga, shut the fuck up. I didn't. I didn't.
Did you win the
I
lottery?
didn't win the lottery. Guess what happened?
You won the lottery
I
of
took the
life.
ticket. I said, these were the numbers.
What happened?
Yo, son. Hey, yo. Shut
And
up.
you robbed the
Let me.
store.
Yo. Listen. Let me do this shit. Hey,
My
yo.
bad.
Look.
My bad,
Yo.
son. My
Listen.
bad, son.
So
My bad.
I looked
My
at the
bad,
numbers on the
Chief. My
ticket and I was
bad,
like,
Chief.
yo, these numbers is
I'm
crazy.
sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna look these numbers up, what they mean. Because I never stopped believing that I was gonna win the lottery, yo. These niggas was laughing at me, this shit was going crazy. But yo, word is born saying, in my mind, I never believed that I was gonna lose that lottery, yo. So guess what? I looked the numbers up. Guess what the numbers all pointed me to? Keep going. You're gonna get what you asked for. Just keep going. And I never forgot that day. Bro, and I swear to God, this is a true story, bro.
You know what that is?
3 to 4 months later,
Boy.
3 to 4 months later, guess what? A nigga came to me and gave me $300,000.
What?
Before they got so used to gunshots that they forgot that it's a war. Real niggas
300,000, nigga. Just gave it to me.
tell me how you feel, I can't somewhere about niggas pay money I want. How much it cost to be someone? I put up in that hill, okay? Now your bitch on demon time. Free the bitch and free your mind. Free the family, feed the gods.
I don't know, but I feel like his
Teach you
pants
how
are
to hold
inappropriate.
a pistol, but don't teach you how to
I
breathe.
feel like he's
Bad
wearing
hoes,
ass
bitch, I
pants.
can breathe.
Nigga, they
I feel
gave
like
me 300,000, son.
I feel like he's
Son
wearing
came to me
pants.
like, yo, son,
Wearing his ass like that.
I got 300. I'm like, what? Nigga gave me 300,000. Guess what happened, son? Yo, son. Guess what happened, son? Yo, son. Guess what happened, nigga? Guess what happened? On everything I love, nigga. On everything I love, on my daughter's life, this really happened, my nigga. I'm not lying to you. That ass serious. Nigga gave me 300,000. I'm like, all right, yo, word? He like, yeah, I got that. You know what I'm saying? I had saved it and da 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 da, and then I got it pushed down. Whatever the reason was. My account hit 300,000 in my account. Boom. Bro, can I tell you a secret about the whole story? And this is I cannot lie to you. What y'all say? Wallahi, word is born, son. Word is born. So what y'all say? Wallahi. Hey yo, word is born, son. Hey yo, listen. I'm gonna tell you what happened. Let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you. Look, I got the 300,000. But guess what? I already was making 10 G's a month, nigga. I was making 10 G's a month. I ain't even need that money because I was on a spiritual path and minimalizing my life. I didn't want no materials. By the time I got that money, I didn't even want it because I was on a spiritual journey. I had ordered something that I received, but by the time I received it, I ain't even want it because all I wanted was knowledge of self. All I wanted was to be in the jungle naked, in the rainforest, eating fruit. I ain't even care about no money. I just wanted life. My riches was life. By the time I got that money, I ain't even want it. I was in Costa Rica, and I'm like, nigga came to me with this money. I'm like, all right, give it to the people. Fly people out to Costa Rica. I flew people out so that they can come on. I had groups of people with me. I flew out. I flew out groups of people to Costa Rica. Nigga, this is not a lie. And I took care of them. And I taught them knowledge in my home. I fed them. They didn't have to spend a dime. Here, come learn, nigga. Them same people fucked me over. But listen. It's okay because I was blessed with even more. This is just one story of my manifestation, bro, of my mind power. And I was only saying this because people said my money stopped ever since Velvet. Remember, when I got that 300,000, Velvet, I was taking care of her with that, nigga. That was back then. Then I knew I never had to work for money again. Listen, whether you send gifts or not, there's a certain amount of money that is allotted to me from the universe that's going to get to me from any form. It doesn't fucking matter. The reason why I'm not fucking with the app is because niggas, it's the principle of it. Nigga, this is nature, boy. Nigga, I am the Messiah, bitch. Bitch, you will put me on a fucking box when I say you will, when I'm over here. And if you don't, I won't come over here. Period. And that's cool with me and it's cool with you. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to be on IG where you can watch me over there where I'll curse you out while I grab my dick in your face. It's the part of me grabbing my dick that I can't do on Bigo. That's the reason why I won't go to IG. But IG won't let me play my fucking music. And then I can't come here because I can play my music here. I can't fucking do anything that I want to fucking do on Bigo. And I'm a nigga that like to take my shirt off. I'm a nigga that like to be wild. I like to do wild shit. You feel me? I like to do a lot. That's why I'm moving to Arizona. I'm gonna give me some four-wheelers. I want to do guy shit. I want to do shit. I ride motorcycles. You didn't know that about me. I'm a motorcycle rider, nigga. I burn bikes out. I do dirt bikes, nigga. Anybody that know Chief know I do dirt bikes, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? We get dirty. We nature boys, nigga. We get out in nature, nigga. We do this shit. I need to be where it's hot so I could fucking lose some of this weight and be out in the fucking open with my dick slingling and dingling, nigga. Fuck is wrong with you? And Bingo ain't letting me do that. And Bingo ain't letting me do that, pussy. And Bingo ain't letting me do
With your
that.
dick
You heard?
slingling?
And Bingo ain't letting me do that.
What is
I
this
want to go
slingling?
somewhere I could do that. You heard? Where's the app I could do
Slinging.
that? Slinging and dingling. Slinging
It
and
is
dingling.
slingling.
And one thing I know, the shit is crazy. This
Slinging and
IG will
dangling.
let you show all that shit and do all that shit, but they won't let you play a sample song. This shit is crazy. Hey, yo, son, niggas won't let you play a song. What the fuck type shit is that, son? I can't play music in the background of my shit? Nah, son. And then look, over here you can play your music, but you can't take your shirt off. Bullshit. I hate this shit. I swear to God. I need an app where I can do all of the above. Shit is crazy. And y'all niggas ain't even gifting like that these days. You're not even
I mean,
gifted.
it's January. This is the
And we
worst
know
month of the
we
year.
look at you. What the fuck? You guys is the worst months of the year because of the fucking. Oh, okay. Well, holidays, whatever. I get it. Yeah. Well, fuck you.
You're
Stop viewing, bitch.
complaining
Go
about
fucking spend
sales
time
in
with your fucking
January?
children, bitch. What you viewing for? The views should go down too, but did the views go down? No, they go up, bitch. You want to view? Oh, it's the holidays. I don't have the money, but I'm still gonna view. Well, bitch, you better make it up for in fucking March and February, bitch. Fuck is wrong?
Like,
I'm sorry. I'm being nasty. I'm being nasty. I'm exercising my demons, and my wife came downstairs, and she's such a sweetheart. She's seeing me in my bad activity. I'm in my, you know what I mean? I'm purging, and I don't want, baby.
It's okay.
Okay, you're good. Don't worry. You're. She knows it's a gorilla. She knows I'm a fucking gorilla. But look, I'm gentle. I'm gentle, and I'm a vegan. Come on, leave me alone.
bitch, you ain't no vegan.
I'm not a vegan. I'm not. I'm just saying I used to be. I can be. But I can be if I want.
You ain't no
You
damn
fucker.
vegan.
Hey, look. I can be if I wanted to be. I can be that. I can be that too. But lamb is on my menu. Yo, nigga, lamb. How can you not? How can you live without lamb? Oh, you're disrespectful. Yo, press one if lamb is your shit. Yo, press one if lamb is your fucking shit. Oh, you're disrespecting life if you
Well,
don't
you
eat
know you're
lamb,
not
nigga.
allowed to eat
Lamb
meat.
chops?
You ain't allowed to eat meat today or tomorrow. It's the Sabbath.
Bro, bro, you really going by these white people fucking calendar?
That ain't the
Yo,
white.
chill the
You're
fuck out,
Christ
bro.
conscious. You eating meat on the Sabbath?
I'm Christ conscious. Do you know what that means?
I know.
That has
Yes,
nothing to do with your
that means
book.
that you're saving the mind.
Bro, that has nothing to do with your book. I'm a pimp. I'm a pimp. I'm a pimp. You're not a pimp. You're a righteous man. I'm a pimp. It's a difference. Brother, you don't understand. Ow! You don't understand. Ow!
Fuck, I'm
Ow! You don't
what the
understand,
fuck is
nigga.
happening? What the fuck?
You don't understand, nigga. I promise you don't understand. Ow!
What the fuck?
You don't understand, young man. Young man. You are not a pimp. I am a pimp. It's a difference, baby. Ow! Look at all the cats purr. Look at all the kitties purr. They know I'm the Black Panther. Huh? My woman do
Is
not
it
wear
weird that
panties. My
I'm
woman
about
don't
my
own
friend?
panties. My
Is it weird
woman
that
don't
I
own
was
panties. You're not allowed to wear panties around me unless you're on your period. And that's it. That's the
yeah,
only reason why
you
they got
can't make
two
me. I
panties for
got
periods, and that's it. And when you ain't on your period,
you
that
mean
pussy
no.
breathing around
Yeah,
me.
I think
I got to eat that pussy at will.
I'm like Peter Griffin.
I want to pull up on you. I might eat it.
Yes, you better be.
I might just eat it. I don't know what. You might be cooking in the kitchen, now, damn it. And then R. Kelly might come
What are
on.
you, a wolf?
And we might got. Ow! We might have to goddamn.
Wait.
R. Kelly just popping. You don't
My
never know
dog
when I'm
got
going to
scared.
pounce on you.
My dog got scared. Like you can't just be saying. As I said, "Ow!" The dog came over here. Whoa, oh, oh, oh,
Hey, guess what? We in look.
ow,
No pennies.
ow,
It's no
ow,
pennies. Let's
ow,
go. What's today? What's today? No
ow,
pennies Thursday.
ow,
Is it Friday? Is it no pennies
ow,
Friday? What's today?
ow, ow.
It's no panties Friday. Let's go, ladies. Take the
You're
panties
not supposed
off.
to wear panties.
Oh, hey, it's Friday. Get you a drink, baby. Take the
No
panties
drinks,
off.
no drinks. Don't drink,
Oh,
baby. Don't drink, baby.
hey, it's Friday, Venom. Take the panties
It's
off,
Sabbath.
girl.
It's the Sabbath. It's the Sabbath.
Hey,
Make
come
those
on,
prayers,
Venom.
girl.
Yasuki, take the panties off,
It's
baby.
the
Let's
Sabbath.
go.
Make those prayers,
Hey,
baby.
hey, we about to have fun,
Time
ladies.
to make those prayers, baby. It's time to pray.
Hey! T-shirt in your panties.
You're hijab. You're
Get you a
hijab in
drink.
your
We lighting the
niqab.
blunt up. Let's go.
Cover up and
We
pray.
about to light a blunt. Light the weed. Light the
and pray.
incense.
Time to pray.
Set the vibe.
Makes a lie.
Yo, press one if you really took your panties off. I want to know.
Press 2 if you're ready to pray. Press 2 if you're ready
Hey,
to pray.
who really took them
Press
panties off?
2
I
if
want
you're
to
ready to
know.
pray. Press 2 if you're ready to pray.
Hey.
If we need to pray, we don't need to
Oh,
take
shout
no
out to
panties.
Divine
We ready
Siblings.
to pray. We
Shout
ready
out to
to
Divine
pray.
Siblings. Oh, Aya in the building. What's up, baby? Oh, First Lady Missy T.
We're ready to pray.
Oh, we got some nasty bitches up in here. Let's go. Who took the panties off? Who took the panties
Put
off? If
those
you press
clothes on.
two,
Time to pray.
you're guilty.
Yes, it's time to pray.
Bruh. Deja. Okay, Deja.
Can I have that?
Hey,
You can microwave
Lex.
and I'll get that.
Lex, I know you ain't got no
Let me
panties on.
lightly warm those.
You always ready.
I'll keep it.
It's Friday. It's no
I
panty
like those
Friday.
barely light.
Come on.
So you ready to pray? Come on, you ready to pray? You want to pray?
It's no panty Fridays, ladies. Let's go. Take them panties
It's
off.
prayer Friday. It's Sabbath. It's the Sabbath.
That goes for you too. Yeah, you know me. I'm talking to you too.
Oh, you a kinky little nigga. You ready to pray? Come on, let's pray. Let's pray. Is that a beer? Are you drinking beer? Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Nigga,
Hey, big
that's
ol'
why
auntie,
you
what's
getting
up?
bigger. You out here drinking beer in the middle of the day. Are you depressed? Do you need to talk about it?
Oh yeah, you know what time it is right now. We got Visa in the building, the one and only Messiah for the Islamic community.
No,
You know
no,
what
I'm the
time it
Messiah for
is.
the world. For the world.
Visa right now. I'm the only one and
No,
fucking
you
only
could be the only
Messiah, nigga. What are you saying?
I am the Messiah. I'm the Messiah of Messiah. I'm the best of the Messiahs.
Yo. I need y'all to somebody send a gift that makes it come into the middle so I can show him what we about to do for this shit.
They're not gonna do it.
Listen to me.
You don't have mind
Bro, let me
control
tell you
no
something.
more. You're an
Bro,
assistant pimp now.
I challenge you to a dance battle,
You're
bitch,
not
for
ready for that,
Messiah.
bitch. Bitch, I will dance you out this. What? You're an assistant. What is going on?
know you got me. I'm on the dance floor. With all I can say. We'll surely clear. Love talk is spreading. I'll make the world is warm. Give us the day to show our gratitude, to change our attitude. Come on, we're ready with all that we feel. The time is ideal to set it off, get it on, set it off, get it on, set it off. Come on, let's set it off. Set it off on the left, set it off on the right, set it off. Come on, let's set it off.
Yo! We killed this nigga! He wasn't even ready, nigga! Yo! You been talking about a dance battle this whole time and I just murked you, alright? Press 1 if I won that fucking battle, or press 2 if he won it. Let's go. Yeah! I won the dance battle. Yeah! Oh! I won the dance battle, nigga! Ah! Yeah, nigga! Harlem in the building! Harlem! What? Yeah! Harlem in the building, nigga. Niggas can't fuck with this shit. Yeah, nigga. You feel me? Hip hop for real, nigga. I was a B-boy, nigga. I knew how to dance, nigga. I just fucking with y'all. I really know how to do flips and all that shit. Like I'm really a B-boy. I'm really a B-boy. Like that's where I got my skills for sexy dancing. I got it from being a B-boy, nigga. I was a B-boy. Fuck is you talking about, bro? I'm a B-boy. I'm a break nigga. I do breaks.
I missed it. My phone was acting funny.
I just set it off on you.
You didn't set off shit. You don't want
Where
me.
New York at? New York in the building. Let's go. Press 1 if you from New York.
You think you set it
Where
off on
Brooklyn
who?
at?
Nigga, how dare you?
Where Harlem at?
How dare you say that? 1 second. 1 second.
Bro,
You
I killed you.
disrespectful motherfucker. Nigga, it's okay. Nigga, I'm gonna
I
make a
killed you.
fucking routine with me and my fucking wife, you fuck ass nigga. Me and my wife's gonna break dance on your ass. What? She gonna break
Let's
dance
get
with
it.
her jab on. You don't know what you just started. You
Malia, come here. We're being challenged. Hurry up. We gotta be ready, babe. Babe, we gotta be ready. Baby, they challenging us.
You
Baby,
better
they challenging us. Hurry up. We gotta be ready. Come on, babe. We gotta be ready. We gotta be ready. Babe, we gotta be ready. They're trying to challenge us in the dance. Let's go. Bring the blunt. Bring the
no.
blunt. Bring the blunt. Bring the blunt. Bring the weed. Oh, shit. Oh, you're not ready. Bring it back up. Bring it back up. Bring it
No,
back
we're
up. Bring
not
it
ready.
back
We're
up.
not ready. We need more. I need more
Oh, she's
wines.
not
We're
ready
not
either.
ready.
She's not ready.
We're not ready.
No,
We're not
listen.
ready.
He said he's
You
not ready.
got
He's
too
not
many.
ready. But when we'll always be ready. Babe, get ready so we ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying? Stay ready so we ain't gotta get ready. Come on. Let's go, cause we ready to nigga, we ready, nigga. What? Nigga, we will salsa, nigga. You know how me and Malia do. Woo! We had to take this shit to motherfucking IG, nigga. You not ready for that? Me and Malia verse who? Verse who? Verse who? Verse TKO and Armani? Who? Who won it? Who won it? Nobody, nigga. Fuck
It's
is wrong
okay.
with y'all niggas?
It's okay. You've had time to get those routines together. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh
I
no, no,
got you.
no. This is off the top. We do this shit in the mix right now. We do it like boop, boop, boop.
It's
That
all
was
right.
yo,
All right. It's all right. When we have a freestyle battle, you
bro.
getting your ass
First of
too.
all, first of all, first of all, hold on, bro.
Second of all, third of
Hey,
all, yo, let me know if I lag up in this bitch. All right, guys. Let me know if Visa get the lagging.
look, guess what? Hey, where my grown and sexy woman at? Let's go. Where my grown and sexy woman at? Let's get it. We about to do a little two-step right now. I need you to send one beam. One beam, baby.
I'm not ready.
Support the team. Let's go. Hey, ladies. Let's go, ladies. Let's go. Nice and sexy. Oh, we coming into the weekend. Oh, my God. That week went by so fast. Oh, it's
What are
time to
you,
let loose.
fucking? Who do you think you,
You
Michael
almost
Bailey?
time to get off your job. It's almost time to get off your job right now. Oh, and I want you to go home. And I want you to get ready for your weekend, baby. Come on, baby. Where my grown and sexy at? It's DJ Messiah. Oh,
I'm a way better
my
DJ
music is
Messiah.
better than his. I
No,
dance
yours
better.
no.
I'm the
Your
real
music is like your
Messiah.
hair coming up short.
Hey, where my ladies at? If you grown and sexy and you ready for the weekend, press 1.
Your hair is coming up short, Poppy.
Let's have a drink. Come on,
No
Andy.
drinks, water. No more liquor.
Hey, hey. Oh, we play better music. We look better.
There's a reason why you only have fish around your house.
Hey, where my phone is
You're
sexy
a
at? Let's go.
reptilian.
It's the
You're
weekend,
a
ladies.
reptilian.
Oh, who got a drink?
Don't you think that this dance is not really that you're not really dancing to this music at this point? Thank you, Saba. Yo, these things are fire.
I can't get over you. I'm trying to lose myself in song. But the time
Get it, okay, okay, look at you at the cookout. Okay, all right, pray. I'm about to pray. Be easy, brother. Be.
What happened? Why he leave? What happened? Yeah, but you gotta understand, man. You lose to win, man. You lose to win. That's the thing about life, bro. It's not gonna come the way you think it's gonna come. That wouldn't be magical. I have to come to you on mysterious ways. So then you know you're in tune with something. You understand? Magical. Come on. Come on. Where my grown and sexy ladies at? Let's go. Hey. 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 I need a battery. Oh, I got one. I got one, baby. I'm just here to dance for y'all to get y'all in the groove. Welcome to your weekend. Whoa, that week went by fast, didn't it? That was a fast week. We already partying again, y'all. That week been by pretty fast. I'm dancing like a girl. Oh, I didn't know this how girls dance. I call this skating. I'm skating, nigga. This how girls dance. It's called skating, nigga. I call this skating. I ain't know this how girls dance. What girl you know? Unless she one of my bitches. Ah, hey. You might have seen one of my bitches doing this. And you might have thought. You might have said, oh, that nigga dancing like a girl. Nah, you seen one of my woman, nigga. Oh. All the things we're going through. You might have seen me and one of my woman. Hey.